And there it is, the judge drops the hammer early. 93 days behind bars is the max she's staring at. Notice how he's not saying he'll do it, but by putting that number on the table, he's sending a crystal clear message. One more slip, and this is no longer just a warning.
You could be incarcerated on this for the maximum. I'm not saying I want to do that. It's 93 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You sign, read, and understand the Bill of Rights.
Yes, I do.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So the charge you failed to refrain from, failed to submit the testing in December 2nd. How do you plead?
I plead guilty.
You failed to submit the testing today?
Yes, I did.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, they haven't.
Why don't you accept me an email saying she was going the next day? Please tell me that was that.
Christina,
On the 3rd, right?
the 29th, all of the documents that I think they had included the last slipper, which was not.
Why did she not?
I
want you to speak and explain that she's trying to make sure that both organs are on the top of her privatization first because, you know, it's so. Christina, come on.
Well, I think, did that tell you what I had talked to you about that?
Well, this is just, she's understood this. She's been about this ready. Well, she should be. I've been there. What?
We have a clear understanding now of that. She's not, I saw the information back and there was violations in a row there. So.
Forgot? In sobriety court, forgetting is like saying you forgot your parachute on a skydive. This isn't just about showing up. It's about proving you can prioritize recovery over excuses. And the judge knows it.
The registered act. So, not understanding why you weren't there. Why didn't you go?
Your Honor, I completely forgot to call. It was this morning at work. I was pulled aside. I was reprimanded. When I came back from rehab, I came back to somebody that was trained for my position. I was warned. I ran out of the office on Friday trying to, do chemical testing. I failed, to even call.
What do you think? I'm accepting your plea of sentence now because it's a violation.
Yeah, I actually met with Christina yesterday and we're kind of, one of the lot of back now. We don't do a lot of management testing. She got the first sheet, really the way the house started. The fact that we have holidays coming up for the process to last. I know that how it's going to affect the sobriety meetings because she was practically supposed to be under the violation. Yes. So we talked about to her, right? Older child, she was never for coming in regards to any of the violations before. She's been for here. She did all the right things. She was fine with me. I do know that she's trouble something on the 29th. She's got now a week of work because of that, which was 2 days after the holiday. All policies from there.
Phase extension. That's legal speak for, you're not advancing in the program because you slipped up. Think of sobriety court as a video game. You can't level up until you beat the current stage. And Christina just got sent back a level with extra side quests. Community service.
There's Alex that are using the responsibility that this legal counsel yesterday. So this is a big problem for because we're in a position where it's that document meetings, come together on a holiday or time for approval.
So, what do you think? What do you think?
Well, definitely, if any discussions ever required as far as some of the languages are happening to society, as well as the capabilities to searching about the working for that guarantees no other violations, and the babies.
So, for extension.
And I would believe at this point, many these are really beneficial. I know that you've done work program, but kind of employment, you think Again, we talk about against the world, it's not
I'm fine with that. I'm understanding now until phase two, until what?
she, I'm getting more than so strict,
Right.
so we gotta go out to these functions.
Yes. It's not good. She does want to continue on the more difficult path of being on probation, and seriously sobriety. She doesn't want to take the easy out, ask for a revocation, and she's not entitled. So, related to that kind of time, she wants to continue on. And she's in great sobriety as well. Anything else? She'd like to apologize, Jim. I think the reality of prioritization in court orders came to light today. But I think she's understood this. I think she realized that at some point you should go to jail.
Big takeaway here. Judges in sobriety court aren't just punishment machines. The goal is rehabilitation, not destruction. By choosing community service over jail, he's reinforcing accountability while keeping her job and stability intact. Smart move, but it's her last free pass.
I don't think she realized how close yeah. I just don't think she realized how close they come to jail sometimes. Never sent you to jail?
No, free guy.
I know, but she won't leave. She haven't told January 15th, eight girls. My fees, extend phase 2 until March 6th. I don't know what else to tell you. I feel like sometimes you seem so compliant, and others you seem like you're fighting us. I don't know how to feel other than that. I sure don't want to see you lose your job. I don't want to see that happen, but you gotta be careful with this stuff, okay?
No, I appreciate all your help.
Alright, good luck. Thanks. I'm not gonna assess costs, I know you. Stay clean, please.
Yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor, from the House Counsel to my colleague, E.T. Central and Signature.
Seven Martha.
Judge, thank you for this policy. For there are two allegations. There's legal supporting second step. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
You plead guilty here. You can 10 days. You understand that?
Yes.
Sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you have to have all those rights. There will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Here's count one. You failed to submit the test. Specifically.
Ouch. Missing drug tests at the start of the program is like showing up late to your first job interview. It screams unreliability. The judge's frustration is real here because the whole point of sobriety court is consistency. Without it, the system falls apart.
November 29th to 24, how do you plead?
Guilty.
It's count two. You failed to submit the testing. On December 2nd, 24, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Failed to submit the testing on both November 29th and December 2nd.
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Please to accept both charges. I have real concerns about this. You just started the program. It's half of what Ms. Wiles did. It was nothing derogatory other than the fact. I'll let her tell me. She's just walked in.
That's not hospital.
You don't seem to be understanding that this is not a volunteer program. I mean, getting any sobriety court voluntary, but I can't hear this. I didn't want a babysitter, or I couldn't get a ride. Sobriety court. If we didn't do a much better job, myself included, of conveying to you how important it was to get here for your testing, then shame on all of us. And closely, I'm serious. This is not a good sign. This isn't just like a request or suggestion that you show up for testing. Now, I've got a real issue. What did she tell you? Can you remind me so the lawyer can hear?
Yeah, sure. There wasn't any information as to why she didn't go for 29 first had to do with neurology and then neural was not function for and it dealt with moving the neurology to the water. So I did the email from which she her to be able to use on the side. There was nothing for this on
The 29th, you know, the testing facility did not test on the PM scheduled post-holiday procedure. She called late in the AM. She wasn't sure because she could have tested on the PM, and then she found out that they were full.
Well, I think it's pretty well known. You guys do a good job of advising everybody they don't test in the evening on the holidays, do you not?
the 29th was Friday.
Oh, yeah, right.
When they called me, they were ordered to show chemical testing for the morning. If you miss that chemical test, they are aware that you just chemical tests when we go.
This is brutal honesty from the bench. Judges usually try to motivate, but here he's flat out saying, I don't think you're going to make it. And let's be real, that doubt cuts deep. It's a warning flare for Brandon. Either prove everyone wrong or spiral out completely.
So, well, wait a minute. She's not holiday, right? So you don't have the day after a holiday, they just make their own holidays at the end of the week?
No, what we did was because they tested the 27th, and we only could actually that they have almost the first added it, just so the vision was right. So that they were tested in the 72 hours after the holiday.
I get it. Yeah, how do people know it's not a holiday that they're not going to be tested?
The announcement of the morning Saturday will only be available in the morning. So everybody is not on the morning when they're like in the afternoon.
I see. Why did they go down
She
6?
didn't know that well, I told her that I need to disclose something that I need to claim privilege. Okay? What she didn't understand is that if you fail to make a test, actually go to any testing facility as a prophylactic measure to go to a lab or pay for a private test to confirm that, look, I used it, not you, but right the next morning, I was confirming it, not you.
I'm seeing this over since. I think you have to do a 360 in terms of applying the orders of the court. I mean, this is not a good sign that the day after Thanksgiving, you didn't show up for the test. It's not a good sign at all. Now, I would like to be compassionate and understanding, but I'm not naive. Okay? I mean, a lot of people in the country drink on Thanksgiving, and that's fine if they're not a good looking time. No. I'm just telling you, you missed 2 tests in the beginning. Don't miss another one. I'm sentencing you in 2 weeks. I want to see how she does in the next 2 weeks. I'm telling you, Devin, I'm really disappointed. I mean, we're trying to help you out here. You're already off to a bad start. What day on the 19th, Lisa?
Yes, 19th at 8:30.
Thank you. 19th at 8:30, go get your notice, Devin. Figure out how you're going to get places. I don't care how you do it.
You're right. What she's going to do, because we talked about that, she's going to get a second child seat so that she can use it over and take the child because she has an audio. I have a child seat. I got it.
Have a nice day. Go down. Please take this more seriously. You don't want to end up going to jail over Christmas. Well, I'm telling you, this is not a good start. Brandon Russell, 3R7, you showed up today. I know you had to go to a doctor.
There's a note for you.
I don't need to see that. Brandon, I think I have 34 people in my spread.
Yeah.
You know why I think?
What?
You know, at least why I'm counting of the 34 that they're going to graduate.
Some down there?
Pardon? You think I'm down there?
I think you're 34th.
Huh?
I think you're 34th. I don't want you to talk about this case. I'm telling you, we're a different day, another day. You can come in here, you can take care of this. I have meetings to go to. I know I told them to come in, but we have lengthy meetings likely to take place here real quick.
I'll ask you a question.
Brandon, I don't want you to ask anything right now. I want you to listen to me.
Okay.
You have to take this more serious. I don't know why you're getting hurt all the time. I don't know why I'm going through all these hearings with you. I don't know.
Thought this was just a follow-up from the violation, and I didn't do the community service because that's.
I don't want you to say anything yet, Brandon. You said that. I just want to have a conversation with you. Yeah, call Emily. I want to have a conversation. Why are you not? And I don't want you to comment on any of these charges, please. Don't comment on any of these charges. You only have, right? Failure to attend outpatient. And positive for alcohol, November 12th. Don't say a word. You already have 3 technical violations. Brandon, you better up. I don't know what's going on with you, but you better up your interest. You better get a lot more disciplined and a lot more responsible. You're not going to make it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I had reservations about you when you took your control. Really, I didn't think you were going to make it. I hate to say that, but I did. I don't know how to explain it. I just get a feel. I've been doing this so long. I don't think you're going to make it. I didn't then, I don't now, and I don't know what else to say. He looks like he's in pain. I'm not keeping him here. We're going to set this up again. I think I need to set, I'll work with you on the date. In fact, Lisa, I'm going to let you work with him on the date. I just want it set within 10 days. That needs to go into now. And I just need you to state your name. I'm sorry.
How long?
I just got done telling him I have real reservations about him when he got in the program, and I have bigger reservations now. And I don't think he's going to make it. I don't want to sound negative, but I am going to be truthful. So I don't know what's going on with you. We're here to help you, but we're not to beg you. Down the line, please schedule a date when you can walk down with him. I don't want him to talk about the case. I did get him a lawyer. I just want him to understand we are not very enthused with how he's doing in the program. Okay?
Sir.
Let's go, Brandon. You got me. This is it. I think that this is your chance to turn your life around. You let this slip by, we don't get a whole lot of opportunities.
I'll talk to him. Talk to you later about the situation.
I want you to make any decisions not only about what's in the charges.